We are at Longacres Racetrack, or a portion of what's left of it. It's late July 2016. You can see the Boeing Center built over there, which is kind of on top of where the racetrack would have gone, down towards the north end on the, would that be the northeast curve? What they're doing here appears to be some drainage work for the building. You'll see when I pan a little more. It kind of cut through the racetrack. As you can see, there's the southeast corner of the track right there, and then here are the buildings they're building in the south end of what was left of the racetrack. Yep, you can see nice big office buildings right off of Oaksdale. And there's the fence. Now here you can see, I'm going to pan over some protected trees, so somebody wants to protect the old poplars, which is very good. And then down here you'll see I'm panning towards what is the southwest corner of the track. What I found really interesting here, and I'll come back around so you'll see the whole thing while I tell you about it. There's a cut through the track, and the track is made out of Green River loam, I believe, and sand. And so I thought it'd be interesting to see, since this is our chance to see the track from the side and how they built it. Here I've scraped away, and you can see there's probably maybe 4 or 5 inches of sand, and then I put my bottle there so you can see the size of it, and then the loam goes down at least 1.5 times more, and right at the bottom, see where it's kind of lumpy? That's where the real earth starts. Here, we'll get a little closer. And then here is the sand, and at the edge you see like a little scraped spot I made. That's where it joined the actual loam, and then that sand all the way to the top. The top's a little disturbed because when they pushed it up, it mounded there, so I'm assuming that the top of the track wasn't quite where that appears to be. And then you can see here's the fence and the track. So I hope you enjoyed that little bit of video on the Longacres Racetrack and its makeup and some current conditions.